So we've come to the British Motor Museum. Look at these cars, they're just fantastic, aren't they? How about that? Real quality cars. Look at this one here. And then over here, I want to show you over here because I had one of these cars over here. Let me just spin it round and I'll show you. Now that green Capri there, I had a Capri. Mine was a black one called a JPS one. But how cool is that? We've got the Trotters Independent Traders. How fantastic is that? And then we're coming down here for the Ford Angular, I think this was. And then we've got one of the very first Range Rovers there. And that old bus. Now the purpose of this video was not about all these cool, amazing cars. I know they're fantastic. It's actually, I wanted to show you something that's come across my desk that I think you might find really, really interesting. Because it caught my attention, just like these cars. Especially you can have a look at those. And if you want to find out, look at the Mini. Oh, wow, how cool is that? And I'm not going to keep rambling about these cars because I want to take you to my laptop and show you what's come across my desk. I think you're going to like it. Now, it's a trading robot. And I want to show you some of the trades because it's really interesting. Everything's on the blockchain. So let's just go back a screen here. And what we're looking at here, we're looking at the total capital. There it is there, big number. The total profit and loss and the returns is, you know, there. And the win rate is 53.94%. And look at this. We're looking at the different dates here for the trades. And you can dive into these a bit more. So look. All the trades in this one day for this particular trading robot. It's showing you here what types of trade, whether it's a long or a short, and it shows you here whether it made any profit. And what I like about them is if you look here, you can actually view them on the blockchain. So if I click this one, this takes me over to the blockchain. It was a minute ago at the time of making this video, look, the 16th of August, and it actually shows you the transaction here on the blockchain. It's showing you the trade. And how cool is that? So let's go back to the platform. And here's a BNB one. So we can look at this one. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. And again, it's showing me all the trades, all the transactions. Look, Pancake Swap. You know, so it's all there. It's all visible on the blockchain to show you that it's actually carrying out trades, multiple transactions through the blockchain. And the blockchain doesn't lie. And you can look at these yourself when you've created an account. And so you've got a Bitcoin one there. Look at that. So let's go over and see that Bitcoin trade. And so there it is on the Bitcoin scanner. So it's all there for you to see. I'm not going to go into great details of these. You know, you could do that yourself and dive in a little bit deeper. But there's one that made a loss. You see, look, made a loss. They're not all winners. You know, they're not showing you all the winners, but it's all trackable on the blockchain. Now, let me show you the actual trading robot and setting it up. So look, here it is. The minimum you can put into here is $20. And if I put in here, let's just put a good amount in here. Let's put 1,000. So if I put $1,000 in here, I've got the choice of locking up my principal for 20 days, 35 days, 50 days, 70 days, or 90 days. Now, the interesting thing here is that I can, when I lock up my principal, I can withdraw the profits daily. And then after the lock-up period, my principal is returned back to me. So if you look in here, look, $1,000 would turn into 2,100. So it's doubling my money there. And I can draw that profit out daily, which is absolutely fantastic. You know, you don't lock up your money until the complete end. You know, with any trading robot, I mean, I've been in lots of trading robots. You need to leave your funds in for a certain period of time for them to carry out the trades. But not all of them let you withdraw your profits on a daily basis. And I want to show you something else. I did a little transaction. I did a little withdrawal. And I want to show you how quick it was. Look, I've only got $14.36 in this account, but I've only just joined. So I'm going to click on withdraw. This is my wallet that's already inside my settings. You need to make sure you've got your wallet set up in your settings first before you can do a withdrawal. Now I'm going to say all, so that's $14.36, and let's confirm the withdrawal. So it's telling me there $14.36. Confirm that withdrawal. Most withdrawals complete automatically in 15 seconds to 10 minutes, depending on the current network load. So that's done really quick. I think that was less than a minute or so. And if I look at that on the blockchain, I can see that it's there. As you can see, says 51 seconds ago. So that's in my wallet. If I come up to MetaMask up the top here, you can see that payment's already inside my wallet. So how cool is that? That's how quick it was to withdraw. Withdraw almost instantly. And so that's $14.36, all done on the blockchain. No waiting for payments and for them to approve it. It's all done pretty much straight away. So it's a real solid platform when you want to do a withdrawal. Now, if you want to find out more about this business and how to make money with it, then below this video you can get my blueprint. Discover how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income using automation and AI. Get my free blueprint and I'll show you exactly how I'm making a passive income using automation and AI. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.